Hello friends, today we are going to discuss our project Keyword Extractor. So what it does, it extracts the keyword from the given text. Now how it extract, user give a text, we extract a keyword using the rake algorithm, then we search those keywords on the internet and generate the data. Now take the feedback from the user whether this data is useful or not. So what is the main part in this project? How we extract the keyword? How this rake algorithm work? Rake stands for rapid automatic keyword extraction, and this is a very fast independent technique. Suppose user entered this text. Now we have to generate the keyword. So we will split this text into the array of a string. Now from this array of a string we will remove these useless words like the type, and, of, these, of, are, all, types. We will remove these words. How will we remove and how will know these are useless? We have a list called stop word. So we will remove these words. Now our paragraph will look something like this. Now we will create a graph or a matrix. This will show the frequency, like the number of times our words mm, present in the given text, and these horizontal and vertical lines shows the degree. What does degree means, like how many times algorithm and corresponding are present together in the text, how many times the like the upper and the bound present in the text. So why we are calculating this? Because we have to calculate k. The formula of k is degree t upon frequency t. We have degree, we have frequency, so we have calculated the k. Now we have to generate a keyword, so we will calculate for this minimal supporting set. This is a keyword. How we calculated? First we have calculated the k for minimal. This is the minimal 2.7, supporting 3 it's 5.7, then set 2 it's 7.7, and in the same way we have calculated for all of these. Now we will select the top t scoring, like you can select the top 5, so those 5 can be the keywords. Suppose this is a website. From this website we have copied the text. This is our software. Now if I clicked on this, it will shows a window. This is our actual software. Here we entered a text, click on the generate keyword, it generates these keywords. Now we will search it on the internet, it shows the data along with the links. If you like this you can rate it 4 star. If you don't, you can rate it only a single star. I like this. Now I have submitted the feedback. These are the some features, like user can review the generated keywords. User can also manage the number of sites, like it have to grab the data from the 3 sites or 4 sites. The generated information about those keywords will also contain the images, PDF files. User can also give the feedback to the generated data, and the accuracy of this tool is more than 90%. User can also edit the generated data and download it. Now moving on the cost, we have used the API to grab the data from the websites. At the last, thank you, and if you have any doubt you can comment it below in the comment section, and the link of all these files I have shared in the description. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel.